Hi, my name is Julien Dubois, and I'm the creator and maintainer of the Jeepster open source project. So Jeepster is a development platform, mostly aimed at Java developers who want to create a full stack application. So we're creating the backend with Spring Boot, Micronaut, Quarkus. We create the front end with Angular, React, Vue.js, and we create the infrastructure around it to build and deploy your application. Oh, we're looking for a lot of contributors. So today we have more than 600 contributors in the main project. We have forks and what we call blueprints in other languages. We don't only do Java. No, we've got also .NET and Node.js. So we look for a lot of different competencies for all those different projects. I mean, technical competencies. And then we also need competencies like design, communication, that kind of thing, because what we lack today is, for example, great logos. Well, we've got a few of them, but we would like more logos. We would like better documentation, better videos, better tutorials. So we don't only look for technical expertise. We're looking for a wide array of skills. And I mean, everybody really is welcome in the project. We've got a long story of welcoming new people, new developers, people who are learning code, and we are always very happy to have new people joining the project. That's how the project grew initially, and that's what we continue today, even if it becomes so big that it might be a little bit stressful for new people. But really, everybody is welcome, and we'll be happy to have new people joining us. Oh, so the most important skill to join is to be nice and curious. We have many people who join the project as trainees or people who were not developers, and they grew with the project, and now, well, many of them now are developers in big companies or are freelancers, and the project came from that. So we are always very happy to have new people, but who are curious and who are nice, who are happy to work together, and that's the most important thing that we are looking for. We're not looking for somebody who has, who is extremely good at something. That's something you can learn. What is more important to us is somebody who is nice and who can communicate well and who can work with us as a community. Jeepster is more a community than a technical project in the end, and it's working because it's a community. So really, any kind of skill is welcome, as long as you are curious and as long as you are a good team player, and I would say a nice person who would like to join your community and to have fun with us, of course. To get started, so we've got a lot of tutorials. Again, we've got lots of people who joined us, and so some people did some video tutorials, some people did some guides, some people, hands-on guides, workshops. Some people did written documentation, I would say more classical documentation. Then really the best way to get started is just to kickstart the project. So we've got this website called start.jeepster.tech. You can go there. It generates your project. When you will run that project, you will probably not understand a lot of it at the first time, but that's okay. That's fine. That's how people get started, and then you learn by having a look at what has been generated, and at some point, well, you will get so used to the project that you will want to contribute back, because you will see that, I don't know, something that was generated does not feel right to you, or is not documented correctly, and that at that moment, maybe, well, you will find the need to come and talk with us, to tell us, oh, I would have done this other way, or I would have written this differently, and that's at this moment that you will join us. So yes, the best way to get started is just to code and be curious, because yeah, really, you will probably not understand most of it at the first time, and that's okay. It's a tool to learn, and that's totally normal.